In this video, I'm going to show you how to make iPhone camera full screen. So when you're taking pictures or videos on your iPhone, this is probably what you're going to see. You're not going to see the entire full screen on your iPhone. Mark you can extend the iPhone screen from here to the bottom to make it a full screen. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to take pictures or videos on your iPhone using your camera full screen. However, if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to make iPhone camera in full screen, or when you want to turn on full screen on your iPhone camera, all you need to do is open the camera app. And once the camera application is opened, click on this arrow button to enable this menu, or better still, swipe up like this from photo to open this menu. This works perfectly while you're taking photos. So if you try to use portrait, you say this is not going to be fixable for you. But if you are on photo mode, this is the best thing you can do. So on the photo mode, click on this arrow icon to point downward to show all this menu. Or similarly, you can just swipe up on photo like this to show this menu. Now click 4:3. Once you hit 4:3, then you have other options available here, which is 16:9 or square. If you choose square, you have a smaller image size on your iPhone camera. Now for your iPhone camera full screen, choose 16:9. And then once you click on that, you should see your iPhone camera in full screen, and then you'll be able to take your camera in full screen. And once you hit the snap button, this is what you're going to see. So this is how to enable iPhone camera full screen on your device. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.